Gordon Ramsay's restaurant. Ah, make the food. I am hungry. Food. I need food. I am hungry. Brr. Where do I eat? Where do I eat? Let me think. I could eat at the fast food restaurant. The fast food restaurant. In the fast food restaurant, when I am hungry, I walk in. I walk in and I order on a screen. Tap, 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 tap. On a screen. Burger, chips, Coca-Cola. Burger, chips. I walk in and order on a screen. The money, it only costs about £5. £5. Or in America, dollars. It is very, very cheap. It is very, very cheap to eat a burger and chips, at a fast food restaurant like McDonald's. But it is not very nice to eat. It is not very nice to eat, but it is cheap. It is cheap. Now, if I had more money, I could go to a fancy restaurant. A fancy restaurant. If I went to a fancy restaurant, I would walk in, I would sit down, I would open the menu, and I would look at the prices, the expensive prices. Then a waiter would walk over to me and ask me, what do you want, sir? What do you want, sir? I can't afford any of this. It's too expensive. But if I could afford it, if I had more money, I would order a steak. A lovely steak, a juicy steak. But I cannot afford to eat at a fancy restaurant like Gordon Ramsay's restaurants. Make the food. Make the food. I cannot afford to eat there because it is too expensive for me. I would have to eat with Ronald McDonald. Boo! I would much prefer to eat here. I would much prefer to eat here, but it is too expensive. It is too expensive. So, do I eat here? No, I don't eat at either of them. I don't eat at either. I don't eat here. I don't eat here. No, 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 no. I like to make home-cooked meals. Home-cooked meals to eat. Let me show you. I like to eat at home. At home. At home. Let me show you. I like to eat at home. Home. At home, it is cheap to cook my own meal. To cook my own meal. Add food to a frying pan and eat. Where, either here or here, do you prefer to eat? Where, either here or here, do you prefer to eat? Or maybe you prefer to eat at home like me. Like me. I am going to make some food to eat. Bye. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Mwah.